Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to set up YeePOS for WooCommerce from start to finish. We'll install the plugin, configure the essential settings, add products, launch the POS application, and create our first order. Let's start by installing and activating the plugin. Upload the YeePOS plugin, click Install Now, and activate it like any other WooCommerce plugin. Once activated, you will find the new YeePOS menu inside your WordPress dashboard. From here, we can begin configuring the POS system. First, let's configure the general settings. From this section, you can launch the YeePOS application directly from your dashboard. Next, let's configure payment methods. It allows you to choose which WooCommerce payment gateways will be available inside the POS interface. One of the unique features of YeePOS is progressive web app support. This allows YeePOS to be installed like a native application on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Here you can customize the application name, theme color, and app icon to match your business branding. The product filter section allows you to control which products and categories are available inside the POS application. Now we're ready to launch the YeePOS. Click Open POS application to open the POS interface. The application loads in a clean and modern workspace designed for fast in-store operation. All products, customers, and settings are automatically synchronized from WooCommerce. Before creating our first order, let's try to add some products. As you can see, we already have several products available in the system. To create a new product directly from YeePOS, simply open the product section and click the New Product button. YeePOS also automatically synchronizes products from WooCommerce, so you can also create a product as usual from the dashboard. Enter the essential product information. Set product image. Once the product is published, it will be synchronized and become available inside the POS application. In this example, automatic synchronization is configured to run every 10 minutes, so newly created products will appear in YeePOS after the next scheduled syncs. If needed, you can also trigger a manual synchronization to update products immediately. As you can see, the new product appears here after I click the Sync button. And the jeans category also automatically synchronizes. Now, let's create our first order. Simply click on a product to add it to the cart. The order summary updates instantly as products are added. When the order is ready, proceed to check out. Review the selected products, subtotal, total amount. Next, let's assign a customer to the order. You can select an existing customer or create a new one. You can also apply discounts, coupon codes, tips, or order notes if needed. Choose service time. Choose a payment method. If you choose to pay online, click Place Order to proceed with payment. Currently, I choose to pay with cash. Enter the amount received, and the system will automatically calculate the change due. Place order. Once the order is processed, YeePOS automatically creates the corresponding WooCommerce order. And that's it, you've successfully installed YeePOS. It's easy to connect WooCommerce with fast and reliable in-store operation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.